Here we are in the powerboard factory, just a demo on how the boards operate. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a 10 or a 20 cent piece, a coin, to charge it. The cigarette lighter from your charger, it's got a cigarette lighter component on it. It will plug into there, turn the board on. It'll have two red lights if it's not charged. As soon as it's fully charged, you'll get a green light come on. It'll automatically turn itself off. It has protection on all our components, over voltage protection. So fully charged, you then turn it off. It's power point, unplug it, put your plug in, which will seal it. At this point, the water cannot get into your surfboard. It's a sealed unit. The sealed unit has a protection. If you get water on the positive negative, it will turn itself off until you dry that component out. The board will not work. It's a safety feature. You have an on-off switch on the top of the board. It's next to the charge point. To turn it on, you just press the button in. Stand on this as if it was a sub, and the board will run. If you don't want to use it, just turn it off. Stand on that, it won't run. That's our front compartment. It comprises of a motor, which is water cooled. We have a battery and just the other electronic components. In the back section of the board, it has a service point. The two service points of the board. Same thing, you undo the plug at the back. It's a sealed unit from the front of the electronics. In goes your grease gun, a couple of squirts. You only want a couple of squirts, you don't put too much grease in there, it's not necessary. That actually lubricates the bushes. We don't have bearings in our shafts. Salt they don't like, we haven't found anything that will work with salt water. We've used this system, it's efficient, it works well. So I do the bung back up. In the other part of the back is the water cooling. This part here comes with the board. It's a garden hose fitting. It's easily fitted. Clip it into your garden hose, push it into the water outlet, flush the water system out after you use it. As it is in salt water, best to give it a flush. That way your board will last forever.